Good morning, I'm Dr. Millet. Education is very powerful. And when you understand the why behind something being as powerful as it is, it empowers you, it gives you the ability to want to make a difference in your own life. What I'd like to do is I'd like to share some key product information with you. Good morning. What I'd like to do this morning is discuss a product by the title or the name of CardioCare. And first of all, understand this is a formulation. And I want to give you the understanding of the power of a formulation. Yeah, it seems like this is a little bit of a repeat. Every product that I talk about formulations. There's a reason behind that. And the reason is the fact that a formulation brings about a synergistic power or a recipe in which the body can really take what it is that you're trying to accomplish as far as the goal or the purpose or the benefit, and making it more long-lasting, making it a healing factor. Now, a lot of times, most companies, all they'll do is include one key ingredient that the latest research or the latest hot tamale out there has been talking about, and they'll take that one key ingredient. In this case, one of those may be what's called tocotrienol or vitamin E. Now, understand, tocotrienol has many different, or vitamin E has many different types of ingredients or many different types of oils inside of it. You could have alpha, you could have beta, you could have toco, you can have a lot of different things. Well, the latest research is tocotrienol being very, very powerful. So a lot of companies may take that and make that the only thing, and they'll take that and they'll say, let's put that in a gel cap because this latest research focuses on this. Our company, specifically CardioCare, or I better say Cinco Global, because I represent the product in a lot of different angles, but the bottom line is Cinco Global took the step to take tocotrienol and put it with the rest of the recipe, put it with the things that really enhance the purpose and the power and the benefit of what you're trying to achieve. This is very, very powerful. So, as we go through, there's benefits for cardiovascular care, for breasts, for heart, pancreas, colon. I mean, you name it. CardioCare and tocotrienol vitamin E and the recipe going along with it gives it such an effect that it's unheard of. And it is extremely heads or ahead of the rest of the market. So let's take a look at the formulation detail. Number one, first of all, we have tocotrienol. We have 100 milligrams of tocotrienol. Now, as I mentioned, tocotrienol is a form of vitamin E that has shown the importance and being able to support the body in the prevention of cancer, cardiovascular disease, healthy nerves, muscles, strong capillary cells, all of which is needed for us to be healthy. It retards aging. It may prevent the aging spots that you may get on your face or over your body as you grow, as you age. In addition, it promotes healthy skin, hair, eyes. It's necessary for tissue repair. I mean, it goes on and on and on. Signs of deficiency. Now, this is very important for people to understand. Include infertility, which is men and women. This could be either side of the coin. Menstrual problems, neuromuscular impairment, spontaneous abortions or miscarriages, uterine degeneration, shortened lifespan of your red blood cells. You're not going to be able to carry oxygen appropriately. You're going to be tired. You're going to be lethargic. You can have depression, chronic fatigue, fibromyalgia. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. Low levels of vitamin E in the body have been low levels of vitamin E in the body have been linked to both bowel cancer and breast cancer. I mean, these are the things that are important for us to be healthy, obviously. Supplementation of annatto tocotrienol supports the body's normal function. That's the key thing. But research has found that it's also important to include the supporting elements, the supporting factors, or other plants, botanicals, that just give it that extra edge. So it's very important to add vitamin C, selenium, zinc. Now understand, selenium and zinc are both minerals. Now minerals are used as the I call them the baby enzymes, the things that allow us to be able to convert from point A to point B. Very, very important. And it enhances the tocotrienol uptake. In other words, its ability to penetrate or be taken into the system. Selenium is also as an essential component of an important antioxidant enzyme, glutathione. Now, glutathione targets harmful hydrogen peroxide inside of the body, and it's very important for the heart, the liver, and the lungs. Zinc, I don't have to say much about zinc because everyone understands that zinc is extremely important for your body to function the way it's supposed to. This could include, other factors relating to other minerals, glandular function, reproductive health, the proper functioning of the immune system. It goes on and on. It's a constituent that is needed as far as insulin balance and enzymes inside of the body. Also, inside of this formula, or put together in the formula of CardioCare, it's very important to understand that we added 3 other different things that have the ability to act as antioxidants in the body. One being, first of all, being resveratrol. Now that's an anti-aging supplement that contains many other beneficial effects aside from your ability to feel younger, but also to look younger. Enzymes in the body called sirtuins, silent inflammation regulator proteins, big long name there, act as a protection for cells and enhance the ability for those cells to survive. Give them that added protection that they need so that they're not easily attacked or broken down, or that the oxidation that happens in the body doesn't have what would you call it, a premature effect on those cells. Also, pomegranate, grapeseed extract, both of which are working with balancing heart function and removing antioxidants out of the body. Along with that, we also add a whole array of enzymes that are needed to assist in absorption primarily of this lipid-oriented formula. Very, very powerful to add the right type of enzymes to make sure that the body absorbs and utilizes those enzymes appropriately. So in summary, the benefits are what? What do we got? Reduced blood pressure, removes now understand, none of these we're not making a claim. All we're doing is basically saying that in this formula supports the body to deal with these specific issues. So we're talking about reducing blood pressure, removing arterial plaque, lowering triglycerides, helping the body with LDL cholesterol levels, supports the brain health, helps prevent stroke, heart disease, platelet aggregation, which is just, if you imagine sticky blood sticking together, and also the inflammatory response. We're also looking at health towards the prostate, breast, colorectal, digestive, and pancreatic health. I mean, what can you say? Learn more about the issue of benefits of CardioCare with tocotrienol at PubMed.org. Just take a look and basically research it. You're going to see what we already know. And if you want to learn more regarding this product specifically, go to the blog at syncleglobal.wordpress.com or the YouTube channel at youtube.com/user/syncleglobal. Again, this has been a overview of CardioCare, and we thank you.